Speaking of affiliate managers, I met a lot of MaxWeb affiliate managers at conferences. Everyone is so nice and friendly always. And I also know that Anka, who is the CEO, she has even wrote in her book that her motto in life is that if in a world where you can be anything, be kind.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I feel
Yeah.
like everyone in the company lives by that as well. Like super nice. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I love that quote from her. And like in many companies, everything kind of trickles down from the top. If
Hmm.
you a rough leader, it's going to trickle down to the
Hmm.
employees. But with Anka, like you said, she leans into the kindness, and I think it rubs off on everybody, and we all kind of lead with kindness. And it's
Definitely.
something I've always lived by myself as well. Before even joining MaxWeb, I try to
Nice.
make sure everybody who has a conversation with me feels better after the
Hmm.
conversation, not worse. I want to,
Hmm.
bring smiles to people's faces
Hmm.
rather than tear them down. Um, so yeah, no, I really do. I respect that quote. I love that quote, and she does absolutely 100% live by it.